What the USCIS Asylum Decision Pause means for you. Important steps every applicant should take now.
Hello, greetings. I'm lawyer Edwin Fogam. I have been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, I want to touch on the asylum pause. Earlier this month, December 2025, the Trump administration paused all applications for asylum. And many of our clients have been calling and asking whether this means asylum has been canceled and what is the meaning of this. So I wanted to touch on this a little bit. First of all, this pause is a pause as to the decisions, making decisions, the adjudicatory process, the background checks, and so on. It doesn't mean that applications for asylum are not being accepted or being filed. You can still file your application for asylum. In fact, you should file as soon as possible if you qualify, because the 1 year bar to asylum application has not been paused. So if you don't file within the 1 year, the asylum will be considered time barred. Also, you should continue to put together your documents in preparation for your interview, because interviews are going on. Interviews will be scheduled. It is the final decision that could be affected depending on the background checks. And also RFEs, requests for evidence, are still being issued, and you should respond to them in a timely manner and make sure you stay on top of your case. Biometrics. If you receive your biometrics notice, you should attend and make sure you do it in pursuing your application. Now, what about people in removal proceedings? Asylum in removal proceedings. That is even more important because you have to submit additional corroborating documents on time, and let the decision be for the judge to make as to when background checks will clear and when DHS provides that. So I thought it was important to bring this to your attention because this has given the erroneous impression that those whose asylum applications are pending will no longer be able to pursue them, or that those who truly qualify for asylum cannot file. Again, this is definitely going to be challenged in many ways, shape and form, so you cannot wait for that. I hope this information was a little enlightening to you, and if you have any further questions regarding this, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our number is 301-608-1555. You can also send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And as always, do not fear the system. Seek to understand it and work with it. You may benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.